Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make app windows close completely when you quit them on Mac. So when you quit an app on Mac, its visible windows disappear. However, macOS may remember those windows and bring them back the next time when you open the app. This can make it seem like the close windows when quitting an application setting prevents previous windows from being restored during the next launch. This does not force an app to quit and it does not replace the quitting command. It simply makes sure that the app starts with a clear workspace the next time when you open it. So if you do not want and old app windows will return when you reopen them again, here's what to do. First, click on the Apple logo and choose system settings when the menu prompt. After that, go to desktop and dock and here scroll until you find Windows section. And here turn on the toggle right to close windows when quitting an application. And now quit the app normally by clicking on its name in the menu bar and select quit and by pressing command and Q keys simultaneously. And next time when you launch the app again, supported windows from the previous sessions should no longer be reopened automatically. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.